Hey, my name's Ryan. Welcome to my garage. Today we'll be working on this Harley Sportster. I'll show you how to remove the old headlight and put in a new Daymaker LED. First thing you'll need to do is grab your favorite screwdriver. Take out this screw right here. Pretty sure this is the only tool that you'll need. So we'll remove this screw that holds on the bezel. Bezel, headlight, ring. This ring indexes with a notch on the headlight, and then this ring makes sure that the headlight is somewhat level in the housing. So it's got two little things that you have to squeeze on the side of the connector. Squeeze those, it comes right out. Easy. All right, let's open up the new headlight. I got these from Max Inc. Moto. You can purchase them online here in the States from choicecitymoto.com. That's my online store. So that's the headlight. It's got DOT, SAE approved across the top. H4 connector, should bolt right in. One quick note, if your stock headlight has some sort of rubber that sets between the headlight and the ring, this rubber piece will need to be transferred to the new headlight so that it fits properly. I was able to take this one and stretch it over the new headlight to get it to fit the way it's supposed to. Okay, now that we have the new headlight, take the ring, put it on just like it was before, where this cutout lines up with this on the headlight. And plug this in, just like that. That's the top. Bezel goes back on. Tighten the screw back up. And that's it. Nice and simple installation. Make sure it works. It works. Try the high beams. Yes, sir. I think it looks pretty good. We've got snow on the ground here in Colorado right now, so unfortunately I can't get any side-by-side comparisons of what the headlights look like going down the road, but these are a lot better than the stock headlight, and the 6,000 Kelvin color temperature light looks really good too. Thanks for watching. Check out one of these other videos. You take this screw out right here. Bezel. I said bezel. Oh gosh. Ow. Oh, poop. Ow.